had a vanilla bean frappuccino in a really long time. That's
Just
really
get
good.
it.
It's like a vanilla milkshake.
So we woke up like at 4 o'clock this morning, met up a bunch of dudes, came up to Azusa, hauled ass on these roads. Let me show you some cars. And then you got Brandon up here. Where's the rest of the dudes at? The little FRS couldn't really keep up with all these dudes, but I did what I could. At least tell me your Instagram. What's your gram?
17.
Check Ray. Go follow this dude. This thing's so sick, man.
If you steal this beat, your mom's a hoe.
Damn, look at that footwork though. Smooth. Damn. He's getting after it. You guys have some sick cars. Thank you.
17.
Where can they find your work at, bro?
YouTube, Instagram, at Angwell, ANGWELL.projects.
Alright, so we're gonna go for a ride. It's a 335, right? Yeah. 335i, 600, a little over 600 at the wheels. See how it feels. I rode in a helicopter the other night, so I'll compare to that. So he made a little less than 6, but the car's way lighter than the Hellcat, so I think that thing would definitely beat the Hellcat I rode in the other night. What's up, brother? How you doing? Good. Good. Car's looking good. Devin. Good to meet you, man. Beautiful car. So we got this absolutely gorgeous, like a brand new M4 out here on air. Looks so good. It's like a one-off color. Check this thing out, guys. So beautiful. Brandon out here, just getting crabby as usual. Damn. What do you think of this M4, bro?
This is my favorite M4 besides M Poppies.
Yeah, I agree. It looks so good. I'll throw his Instagram on the screen, but his IG is GotChuck. So go give him a follow, check out his whip. If you like it, give him Wait, that didn't make sense. Don't give him a follow twice, just once.
Wing diffuser, the wing obviously. Wheels are
So awesome.
4-star.
Everyone goes to 4-star.
S14s.
Yeah.
That sounds so solid.
I know, right? BMW, not a Subaru. Yeah, no wrap on this thing.
That was so fucking good.
It does.
So aggressive.
You like it? You like it?
Yeah.
And it's not even aired out yet either.
Going there? Oh yeah, yeah. I thought you were static like this. The next thing on today's agenda is I'm gonna go pick something up everyone has been roasting me about forever on the channel, and I also want this specific thing very bad. I've been wanting one for a while. I'm gonna go pick it up, and when I get it, I'll show you exactly what it is. Some of you may know what's in this box. Some of you probably don't. As you can see right there, DJI Ronin S. Everyone's been complaining about my footage and how it's not very smooth. So I went and picked up a new DJI Ronin S. So pumped to have this. Let's go test it out. I've never shot on one of these before, so I apologize if this first edit isn't gonna be the best, but let me get the hang of it and then I will create some more fire edits for you guys. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to pick up one of these gimbals, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. So, yeah, pretty dope so far. Really loving it. Just trying to get the hang of it. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.